Hello guys, now we are going to learn a basic programming language. So I think you know what basic means. Basic programming language is the foundation of every program. It is the foundation of every programming language. Just like Python, Java, C#, C, C++, Visual Basic 6, Visual Basic.NET. Basic programming is the foundation. So right now you are going to learn basic programming. So then, as you can see my screen now, you can see that it's already launched and it is called PC Basic. So that is a new version of a GW Basic. So we have different type of basic programming, right from Quick Basic, Q Basic, D Base 5, GW Basic, and so on. So now, right now the new version of GW Basic is a PC Basic, and that is exactly what we want to learn. And what is basic? Basic is just a short form of a beginner or purpose symbolic instruction course. So that is the meaning of a basic. And like I told you, every programmer must learn basic. You want to learn programming language, you want to learn any of the programming languages, there is need for you to first of all learn basic. Basic is the foundation. Before you can understand better every other programming language, you need to learn basic and make sure you are perfect in it before you proceed to learning any other programming language. So that is it. So right now we have the window here. All right, so now that I've cleared the screen, I want to teach you some terms, how you can create some calculations. For instance, in basic we have direct mode and indirect mode. So first, what we are going to learn now is direct mode. That is what we are going to learn now. So later we now learn indirect mode. So direct mode is the kind of a course or basic program you write and it gives the result, and it gives the result immediately. Then indirect mode is the type of program you write in basic window, and which has to do with line numbers. All right, so right now I'm going to quickly do a little basic programming language. So number one, let's say for instance you want to add two numbers together. Let's sum two numbers together. What you're going to do, you're going to say print 10 asterisk 30. It will give you the answer. So, or you see print 10 plus 30, it will give you the answer, as you can see. So this is the answer for this, and this is the answer 40 for this. So let's look at another one. Print 30 minus 10, that is the answer. Then print 30 divided by 10, and that is the answer. So as you can see, this is the multiplication, and this is the addition, and this is the subtraction, and this is division. So with this you have performed the four major calculations features. So we have multiplication, addition, subtraction, and the division. So as you can see, so I want to clear the screen now. Let's go straight to the point now. Remember, I said this is a direct mode. So if it's indirect mode, there are some things you need to do. So right now it is what? Direct mode. By the time we get to indirect mode, you are going to understand better. But right now, just focus on this and understand, learn this, because that will give you an edge. That will give you an edge to understand the indirect mode. All right. So now print 20 multiplied by 40. You see? Then print 20 divided by 40. You see, now it gives you minus because we have to enter 20 first. All right, the next one, print 20 divided by 40. Now it's giving you 0.5. As you can see, 0.5, because 20 minus 40 is different from 40 minus 20. 20 divided by 40 is different from 40 divided by 20. All right. So now another thing we want to do is print 20 plus 40. So as you can see, all right, that is it. Hope you learned this and hope you understand this. Like I told you, this is direct mode. Follow us in the next class to continue with indirect mode. Thank you. And don't forget, hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to continue learning more, and turn on the notification button so you can receive every of our courses, every of our programs, every of the training videos we'll be sending, we'll be posting time to time, and you're going to learn better in our platform here. Thank you.